Hi guys! And we're back. And we're back. Okay? OOTD muna tayo, okay? Okay, alright, cool. OOTD for today, right? Okay, 9:06 from Bali, Indonesia. Our outfit. Yes. Oh, diba? Yes, ladies, always wear your best. That's right, okay? Kasi opportunity comes when you look fabulous. You know why? I'll give you an example, okay? One time I was in La Cigale Hotel in Doha, Qatar, and I was having coffee with my sister. Actually, nung nag-uusap kami, I still remember. Sabi ng kapatid ko, wow, sis, why you look fabulous all the time? Sabi ko, sis, opportunities are everywhere. Every day is a magic. Every day is a miracle, okay? And you know what? After kong sabihin yon, you guys, in just 3 seconds, may lumapit na gentleman. Oh, business card. Okay, I own a fashion designing company. Oh, di ba? Tapos nagtinginan kami ng sister ko. You see, guys, and you know what? Of course, I know you're gonna ask why did not pursue that in Doha. It's because I told him, I'm sorry, I have a contract with Qatar Airways and I'm flying. You guys, so di ba? So wear your best for yourself. O di ba? Tsaka na nga yung bahay, tsaka ka pa. Diba? Anyway, guys, we are here at Pure Gold Duty Free Clark. And usually, ayoko nag-grocery, sayang sa time, okay? But this time, I love it. I want to do it for you. Sabi ko, yung mga viewers ko, I bet they love doing grocery, especially mga mommy. See? Dose-dose ng mga sabon. And plus, I brought my team for dancing. O, di ba? Oh, nag-compute yan. Okay? Ito yung gusto ko talaga. Ito yung kailangan kong sabon, guys. Worthy for 2-3 years. Okay? Sabi ni Angel, yung pink daw. Ito talaga kukunin ko. Oh my God! Ay, may effort. Teka lang, yung beauty natin. Di ba? Very Filipina. Very pa-demure. Yung videographer ko naliloko na sa akin. The energy is real. Oh, huwag natin iwanan ang ating bag because we have millions here. Okay, tulak. Let's go. Okay, what else do we need? Guys, ladies, I need fabric conditioner. Ayun, nilampasan natin eh. Doon tayo.
Downy.
Oo.
Public conditioner.
Oh, di ba? Te, brand kasi naman ang Downy. Oh, tingnan nyo, ang gaganda ng mga models ko. Mga, sayo nga tayo. Paano ba yung sayo natin? Paano ba yung sayo natin? Pag nagmumove lang. Ba't adan? Oh, teka lang, tayo yung Downy. Ay, ito pala. Ito pala. Teka, bili tayo ng fabric conditioner. Maarte tayo eh. I don't know what to choose. Tara, tulungan niyo ako. Dito tayo. Pwede ba push ang cart? Pwede ba push ang cart? Alalay? Tara. Guys, wala nang sabon si Ate Tere. Nagagalit niya siya sa akin. Kailangan ko nang bilhin si Ate Tere ng sabon at saka fabric conditioner. Guys, shout out sa lahat ng mga kasambahay natin, 'di ba? They make sure na yung bahay natin it's peaceful, it's nice and clean, 'di ba? Ang swerte-swerte ko kay Ate Tere. Actually, may container na ako. I just need replenish. Pang touch up. Pang replenish. Ito na lang. Hindi, parang konti. Sige na nga. Kasi, ladies, hindi ko naman talaga kailangan ng maraming fabric conditioner kasi, yeah. Kaya nga Ate Tere is, saving me. Okay? I'm so swerte with Ate Tere. I'm sure she's watching right now. You guys, Kasi you didn't know she's a field researcher back then in Manila. Parang ang taas ng boses ko,
Well,
Gab.
legit.
Okay lang. Oo. Tapos, ang alam mo, ang galing-galing niya na I don't have to give her instructions. She knows what to do. Pagbalik ko, malinis na.
Gago legit, yung helper mo,
Oo, legit siya, Kapampangan. Ang talino niya, si Ate Tere. Hi, Ate Tere, shout out to you.
Shout out to you, kuya. Oh.
Hi! Pwede ba kami sumayaw ni Kuya?